Yes, now students. So in first class we discussed about the numbers from 1 to 50. So in this chapter in second class again we recapitulate our numbers and some of the sums are there on the board. So we recapitulate these sums. So what is given in first question? Look at the following pattern. So this pattern first we have to check and after that we have to complete the given grids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 grids are missing. First we have to check this A. This is the first question. This is second question. This is third question and this is fourth question. So these four questions first we have to check and we have to complete the grids according to the pattern. Here 51 and 53. After 50 and 53, 2 here increasing. 51, 52, 53. Here 2 plus 2. Here 53, 54, 55. 2 increases here. Means 2 values increasing. So means after that we increase again 2 numbers. Then 55, 56, 57. Now we take here 57. Then after that 58, 59. 59. After that 60, 61. Then after that 62, 63. Then 64, 65. 66, 67. 68, 69. 70, 71. 72, 73. This is the pattern. So how we know this? So first we checked the given 3 numbers. In this given 3 numbers, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 added means plus 2 increases. Plus 2 increases. In the remaining grids also we increase 2 and we complete the grids. And the next, in the second question, 80, 78, 76 means 2 values decreases here. So we decrease 2 here. 76 after decreasing 2, then we get 74. Then in the same way, if we decrease 74 by 2, then we get 72. And in this 72, if we decrease 2, then we get 70. 70. Then after 70, if we decrease 2, then 69, 68. Back counting. So 68. After decreasing 68 by 2, then we get 67, 66. Here 66 after decreasing 2, that is back counting. So 65, 64. After decreasing 2, then from 64, then we get 63 and 62. And from this, if we decrease 2, that is 61, 60. Then in this, if we decrease again by 2, then we get 58. 50. In this way we have to decrease. In this way we have to decrease. Again, here in the first one we increase 2, and in second we decrease 2. So in the same pattern, so first we have to check. So what here we are increasing or we are decreasing. We have to check. According to that we decrease or increase. So here 30, 31, 32. So it is 1 increases. So no 32, 33, 1 increase means very next number. So we have to take very next number. 33 very next number, 34 very next number, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41. In this way we have to increase 1. First we have to check the given 3 numbers. In these 3 numbers we have to check what procedure is there. If 2 increasing procedure is there, then we increase 2. If 2 decrease procedure is there, then we follow that procedure. If no serial numbers are given, only increasing by 1, then we follow that procedure. And in last one, so here 15, 20, 25 means here so we are increasing 5, 5, 5, 5. In very next number means consecutive number. In very next number 5, 5, 5, 5 we are going to increase 5, 5, 5. Then in the same way, so after 25 if we increase by 5, then we get 30. From 30 if we are going to increase by 5, then we get 35. From 35 if we are going to increase by 5, then we get 40. From 40 if we are going to increase by 5, then we get 45. How to increase, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. In this way we have to increase. First we have to count on our fingers, 5, 5, 5 numbers. Here 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. In this way we have to increase 55. Then 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60. After 60, 61, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So this pattern, first we have to check here, these three are the given numbers. In these three given numbers, first we have to check what is the procedure he has given. If two numbers increasing procedure is given, then we increase to two numbers still. So then we have to complete all the grids. If 5, 5, 5, 5 he increased, then we are going to increase 5, 5, 5 and we complete our grids. If 2, 2, 2, 2 decrease in order is given, then we decrease 2, 2, 2, 2, then we complete our grids. This is the procedure. So this we have to follow. Next, in the second question, can you write the numbers and its name? So write the numbers and names here. So this we did in our first class. This is a recapitulation. What he has given in first question: 4 tens, 4 ones. 4 tens, 4 ones, that is 44. 44. 4 tens, 4 ones, 44. That is 44. Next, 6 tens, 0 ones. 6 tens, 0 ones, that is 60. That is 60. Then, number name 60. 6 tens, 0 ones, that is 60. So here in third question, how many tens and how many ones are there in this number? How many tens? Here this is our tens place. This is our ones place. So 5 tens, 5 tens, 5 tens, 5 ones. 5 tens, 5 ones. So here also same. This is ones, this is tens. 4 tens, 6 ones. That is 46. 4 tens, 6 ones. 4 tens and 6 ones. So in this way we have to write the number and number name. So here 55 in the number form. So 5 tens, 5 ones in this form. So this we completed in our previous class only. Now in this question we did 2 questions. More 2 questions were there in your textbook. That is your home assignment. The similar questions, same questions were given that you have to do as your home assignment. Here in third question also, A question, B question we did here. So remaining 2 questions were there in your textbook. That is your home assignment. Now students, here, so now we are going to discuss about our 2-digit numbers. In this 2-digit number, so suppose for example, if I take 27, so this is the first digit. This is the second digit. This is the second digit. This is called first digit and this is the second digit. And this first digit is nothing but our ones place. This is the tens place. Tens ones. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. So we have to discuss this two-digit number till 99. So two-digit number starts from 10. So 9 till 9, this is the single digit. After 9, 10 will come. 10, 11, 12, 13, so on. So this number, so till 99. So we have two-digit numbers. First digit, second digit, first digit, second, first, second, first, second, first, second. So like this, these are the two-digit numbers. In this two-digit numbers, we are going to discuss the place value. Place value. Suppose if I give 57. So what is the place value of 5? If I ask what is the place value of 5, so then you say that the place value of 5 is 50. Why? Because this is in tens place. When this is the ones place, this is the tens place. When the number is in ones place, the place value is tens place, the place value is 50. When the number is ones place, if I ask what is the place value of 7, place value of 7 is 7 only. Why? Because this is in ones place. If ones place number place value, if I am going to ask, so you say the same 7 only. If I am going to ask the place value of tens, then you say 50. If 5 is there 50, 6 is there 60 and 7 is there 70. In that way you have to give your answer. In ones place whatever number is there, the number place value is same, and in tens place whatever number is there, we have to keep 1 0 like 50, 60, 70, 80. So these are the place values of two-digit numbers. So what is actually two-digit numbers? If the number is in this form 27, 38, 42, 93, so these type of numbers are two-digit numbers. So this is the first digit, this is the second digit. First digit is called ones and second is tens. So the digits, a two-digit number starts from 10, then ends at 99. So these all are in between, whatever the numbers will come, all they are two-digit numbers. All they are two-digit numbers. Now here, this is the place value is over. Now how to compare? If the numbers are given, two-digit numbers are given, then how to compare and how to say that either the given number is a bigger or smaller or equal. So this is called, this symbol is called greater than. This is the greater than. This is less than symbol. This is equal to symbol. Equal to symbol. So using these symbols, how we decide that which number is smaller and which number is greater. Suppose if I give number 24 and 43, these two are the given numbers. So this is the first, this is the second. Then how to compare these numbers? So first, this is the ones place, this is tens place. Ones place, tens place. This is ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Now we compare first tens place first. Tens place and tens place. In this tens place 2 is there. In this tens place 4 is there. 2 is less than 4. 2 is less than 4. So that is why 24 is less than 43. In this way we have to compare. In this way we have to compare. Then if suppose the question is in this way, 27, 21. The question is given like this. First this is ones place, this is tens place, ones place, tens place. First we have to check tens places first. Tens places are equal. The both are equal. Now we are going to check ones place. In ones place, here 7 is there, here 1 is there. 7 is greater than 1. It means 27 is greater than 21. In this way we have to decide. First we have to check tens places, tens place tens digit number, then after that ones digit number. If tens digit number is bigger than, the number is bigger than that. If the tens digit is lesser than, then the number is lesser than. If suppose if tens digit are equal, then we have to check for ones digit. If ones digit in which that is greater, that number is bigger. If both are same, tens and ones, that means both the numbers are equal numbers. This is the method to compare, how to compare.